I'm Vinay Rane. I'm working for HP ADHESIVES as a GM of this company. HP ADHESIVES is a 40-year-old company. We are dealing into different type of adhesives. We have started our business with solvent cement. Now we have a wide range of adhesives like silicone sealant, synthetic rubber glue, white glue, epoxy putty. The electricity bill of this state is going very high, and solar is very sustainable energy, and we have ample amount of sunlight in our region. Kalpa Power is a good company with the star mark. We can give them 4.5 star. Quality of the product is good. Our bill has reduced nearly 1/3 to 1/2, you can say.